Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Uchehummy, and if you're new here, you're welcome. Remember to subscribe, like and share this video with your loved ones. Today I'll be sharing the incredible health benefits of Indian healing clay and how we promote hair growth. I've already mixed the Indian healing clay with apple cider vinegar. So Indian healing clay effectively removes toxins from your hair. You eliminate dead skin cells and strengthen natural hair follicles to prevent hair loss. It aids in better water absorption, making your hair grow thicker and faster. In this video, I use 5 tablespoons of Indian healing clay with an equal amount of apple cider vinegar to achieve the desired consistency. I measured excess Indian healing clay, so I had extra. I decided to explore its benefits for a face mask. If you have type 4 kinky coily hair that dry, coarse and prone to breakage, consider using Indian healing clay for thicker and more manageable hair. It efficiently controls and moisturizes your traces, cleaning the scalp and conditioning your coils. As you can see, my hair is already popping out the coils. For damaged hair from heat, coloring or bleaching, Indian healing clay can revive the strands and restore shine. Its properties remove toxins, impurities, and deeply moisturized hair. The clay contains essential minerals like sodium, calcium, and potassium, all aiding in treating hair loss and promoting new hair growth. It provides nutrients to hair follicles, maintaining healthier and shinier hair, regardless of its natural texture. Give this treatment a try and share your experience in the comment section. I'm done. I use the hairband to absorb the water that is dropping out from the hair. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it.